The price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, among other cryptocurrencies rose on Wednesday, July 21st after Elon Musk, Tesla and SpaceX CEO, said he owns cryptocurrency at the B-Word Conference, an event organized and hosted by the Crypto Council for Innovation. Mr. Musk repeated his support and approval for cryptocurrencies in general, despite the potential risks to the environment, saying one thing that you need to watch out for with crypto, especially Bitcoin, is using proof of work, and using energy that's a bit too much and not exactly good for the environment. Today on Crypto Line, we'll be talking about Elon Musk and the likely end price for Dogecoin. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find a link for that in the video description. And now, you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular needs. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and the pinned comment. So Tesla will likely move to resume accepting Bitcoin for transactions as Bitcoin mining is increasingly powered by renewable energy. Musk continues to say that the only publicly traded stock that he owns at the time is that of Tesla. He also said he owns some Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. The only important thing that I own besides Tesla is SpaceX, he noted, for the fact that he helped create both companies. He said that he intends to hold his Bitcoin for the long term. If the price of Bitcoin goes down, I lose money. I might pump, but I don't dump, Musk said. I decisively do not believe in getting the price high and selling off or anything like that. I would like to see Bitcoin succeed. Musk also confirmed that both Tesla and SpaceX own Bitcoin and no other cryptocurrency at this time. Bitcoin bounced back after sliding below $30,000 earlier this week, its first incursion there since late June. The fear in the market was that if Bitcoin breaks below the $30,000 mark, the price will proceed to move lower violently, said Naeem Aslam, chief market analyst with Ava Trade Limited. That's not what has happened in reality, as the price of Bitcoin has been stable and there's not been any panic selling. The price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have fallen since mid-May, losing about $1.3 trillion of their market value. Bitcoin particularly has faced several obstacles, ranging from stepped-up regulatory scrutiny in China, the US, and Europe, and concerns about the energy that's needed by the computers supporting it. Cautions have generally been raised among investors about the future of speculative assets. According to Naeem, Bitcoin may likely test the $25,000 support area in the coming weeks. A break above $32,000 will usher in a very strong recovery, according to Steen Jacobson, chief investment officer at Saxo Bank. Supporters argue that the virtual currency offers a hedge and will eventually win a wider institutional acceptance. Although such claims were always controversial and under more question, Bitcoin's passionate proponents continue to predict bigger returns in the long term. Concerns of the environment and regulations will likely keep Bitcoin at bay, but noticeable improvements should happen on both fronts before the end of the year, Edward Moya, a senior market analyst at Oanda, wrote in a note. Institutional investors are ready to make long-term investments if a dip towards $20,000 is avoided, he added. After a sharp recovery from the week-long fall, cryptocurrencies continue to improve their positions as the virtual coin market experienced a higher buying activity on Thursday, July 22nd. A statement from Elon Musk, which propelled the value of the world's most popular crypto, Bitcoin, is the main reason behind the sharp rise in the market valuation that's being experienced. Most of the other cryptocurrencies are simply piggybacking Bitcoin's gains. Elon Musk said on Wednesday, July 21st, that Tesla would most likely resume accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment at the B-Word Conference. Soon after his comment, the value of Bitcoin spiked. A couple of months ago, Musk has said the electric car manufacturing company would stop accepting Bitcoin for payments, stating the adverse environmental impact of mining the virtual coin. I needed a little bit more due diligence to confirm that the percentage of renewable energy being used is most likely at or above 50%, and that there is a trend towards increasing that number. And if so, Tesla will resume accepting Bitcoin, he added. Bitcoin prices went up by as much as 9%, Ether rose by over 11%, and Dogecoin also pumped by over 11%. In the early hours of Thursday, Bitcoin was trading at over $32,000 and Dogecoin was closer to the 20 cents mark. All other popular cryptocurrencies, including XRP, Cardano, Stellar, Uniswap, Litecoin, Polkadot, and Chainlink, also experienced a price increase. Talking about the strong rebound, Edul Patel, CEO and co-founder of Mudrex, a global algorithm-based crypto trading platform, said the past 24 hours were a major trend reversal for the cryptocurrency spectrum. After days of intense sell-offs, the bulls have finally managed to overpower the bears. Bitcoin is hovering around the $32,000 mark now, which makes the investors pretty happy. The altcoins enjoyed an even more wonderful rally, he added. Ethereum is moving towards the $2,000 mark as the markets remain highly volatile. We can expect the markets to settle down a bit over the next couple of days. The B-Word conference was organized purposely to demystify, destigmatize, and correct the mainstream narrative around the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, and also to promote its institutional acceptance and utility. Musk spoke as a panelist alongside Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter, and payments company Square, along with ARK Invest founder and CEO Cathie Wood, who answered questions from the moderator Steve Lee. The positive news about Dogecoin being added to Coinbase had inspired a sudden spike in prices for the meme-based cryptocurrency on Wednesday, June 2nd, and the price shot up by more than one-third within the period of just a few hours. Crypto analyst Mochio Raman believes that the surge in prices will continue. According to his report in May, after the coin dipped at the end of the month, he said, based on price action, it is anticipated that Dogecoin will rebound as investors are expected to get back into the market. The short-term moving averages are still gapping up. This is an indicator that the price is overall trending up faster than the historical average, despite the current corrections. Looking further ahead, Dogecoin charts point to potential growth as evidenced by its weekly charts. The Dogecoin price chart shows an upward trajectory with consistent gains for 6 months. The upside momentum is supported in its price action this month, he continued. Mr. Raman noted that the Tesla boss will likely play a cogent role in the forecast. Musk, who continues to show interest in Doge, recently stated that Dogecoin would be used to fund SpaceX's trip to the moon next year. However, he later called Dogecoin a hustle on primetime television, and nobody was sure if he was joking or not. In any case, whether positive or negative, it's possible that the buzz of publicity that has already been created around Dogecoin will continue to keep the interest high and may produce a strong recovery in the price of the coin. This will be one of the factors that might not just see Dogecoin go past its recent highs, but possibly test new highs above $1 as well. Musk had celebrated the news of Dogecoin being added to Coinbase by sharing a meme on Twitter of the token, adding it's inevitable in an apparent reference to the incoming surge. He also called on people to submit ideas for Dogecoin improvements and upgrades and fueled rumors that he was working with Doge creators. The support of Elon Musk, along with his declining interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, has increased the legitimacy of Dogecoin. But Britain's Financial Conduct Authority has recently warned investors of the risks that come with investing in cryptocurrency. They said if consumers invest, they should be prepared to lose all their money. Some investments advertising high returns from cryptocurrency assets may not be subject to regulation beyond anti-money laundering. Significant price volatility combined with difficulties in valuing reliably place consumers at a high risk of losses. Mr. Musk, who was once voted Dogecoin CEO in a jocular Twitter poll, recently warned investors of the limitations that he notices with Bitcoin and Ethereum, calling them slow with high costs. Many hope that Bitcoin, through its payments-focused Lightning Network and a recent upgrade called Taproot, will be able to resolve some of its scaling issues, while Ethereum is in the midst of a long-awaited upgrade that's not expected to be completed for years to come. Musk was replying to a tweet by Wallace that claimed the Dogecoin update is coming soon and that it will position Doge perfectly to become one of the most used currencies in the world. In May, Musk had proposed a Dogecoin upgrade that he said was needed if Dogecoin was to become the currency of the earth and completely beat Bitcoin. Dogecoin's price has surged this year, initially riding the meme stock wave in January, but subsequently developed a community that is somewhat led by Musk, who envisioned it eventually competing with top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. If you have any questions or comments, let us know. Be sure to join our free Discord group via the link in the description. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.